The 2025 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia marks a bold return of an iconic nameplate, blending nostalgic design with cutting-edge technology. Reimagined for the electric age, this modern incarnation retains the spirit of the original while catering to a new generation of drivers. The original Karmann Ghia, produced from the mid-1950s to the 1970s, was beloved for its elegant styling and nimble handling. Today's version preserves those aesthetic hallmarks with a sleek, aerodynamic body and subtle retro cues like rounded headlamps, curved fenders, and a low-slung profile. Yet, under the skin, it's an entirely different beast. Built on Volkswagen's latest MEB electric platform, the 2025 Karmann Ghia is fully electric, offering a zero-emissions driving experience. Without compromising performance, the base model features a single rear-mounted motor delivering approximately 210 horsepower, while a dual-motor all-wheel drive version boosts output to around 320 horsepower. This allows the Karmann Ghia to sprint from 0 to 60 mph in under 5 seconds, a significant upgrade over the original's modest performance. The car's low center of gravity, due to its battery placement, ensures excellent handling and stability in corners, making it as fun to drive as it is to look at. The battery pack offers a range of about 300 miles on a single charge, aligning with industry expectations for compact electric coupes. Fast charging capability is included, allowing the battery to charge from 10% to 80% in just over 25 minutes using a DC fast charger. Volkswagen has equipped the Karmann Ghia with regenerative braking, enhancing efficiency and allowing for smoother driving in urban settings. For enthusiasts who appreciate more engagement, the car also features selectable driving modes, including a classic mode that mimics the driving dynamics of vintage sports cars. Inside, the 2025 Karmann Ghia strikes a balance between retro charm and modern minimalism. The dashboard features a clean layout with circular air vents and an intuitive infotainment system centered on a 12-inch touchscreen. A digital driver display provides customizable readouts, while haptic touch controls on the steering wheel and center console offer a tactile, high-tech feel. Volkswagen has integrated voice recognition and wireless connectivity for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring seamless smartphone integration. Despite being a coupe, the Karmann Ghia offers reasonable space for two adults in the front, with a small rear bench and a modest frunk and trunk for cargo. The attention to detail continues with high-quality materials throughout the cabin, including optional sustainable upholstery made from recycled materials. LED ambient lighting and customizable color schemes let owners tailor the interior mood to their preferences. Advanced driver assistance systems come standard, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automated emergency braking. A semi-autonomous driving mode is available for highway travel, reflecting Volkswagen's push toward intelligent mobility solutions. From a design standpoint, the 2025 Karmann Ghia stands out in a market dominated by crossovers and SUVs. Its sleek two-door coupe body pays tribute to the original's Italian-German design collaboration. Originally styled by Carrozzeria Ghia and built by Karmann, the new version honors that legacy with sculpted lines, flush door handles, and an illuminated front VW logo. Optional design packages offer two-tone paint schemes, retro-inspired wheel designs, and even a faux air-cooled engine sound piped into the cabin for added nostalgia. Volkswagen aims to position the Karmann Ghia as a halo vehicle that draws attention to its EV lineup while appealing to buyers seeking something stylish and unique. With its blend of performance, efficiency, and design heritage, The 2025 Karmann Ghia is more than just a revival. It's a statement of how the past and future can coexist on the road.